Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. Let's start the day with love and peace together. Before we begin, feel free to gently stretch your body to loosen up. Relax and release any tension throughout your entire body. You can sit on your bed with your feet gently resting on the floor, or cross your legs on the ground with a cushion under your hips. Close your eyes or keep them open with a gentle downward gaze. Let's start with a short breathing exercise to help clear away any lingering worries or stress from yesterday. Take a deep breath in, letting your belly rise as air fills your lungs. Hold your breath for a moment, then slowly exhale through your mouth, feeling your belly soften. Repeat this process 3 times. Inhale deeply. Hold on. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Hold on. Exhale. Inhale. Hold on. Exhale. Now, let your breath return to its natural rhythm through your nose. Gently focus your attention on the feeling of each breath, the energy that nourishes and sustains you. Notice how your body effortlessly guides the air in and out without needing any control from your mind. Simply be aware of your body, breathing in its own natural rhythm. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out, slowly, one breath at a time. Visualize the sun rising on the horizon, gently casting its golden rays over the new day. Feel the warm energy spreading throughout every part of your body. Imagine the sunlight slowly filling your mind, bringing clarity and washing away any lingering sleepiness. Now silently repeat words of gratitude to yourself, starting your day with a sense of contentment and positivity. I am grateful for this new day. I am grateful for this new day. Put your feelings into these words. Feel the gratitude for life and how lucky you are to wake up and experience a new day. Let the appreciation and thankfulness flow through your mind and body. Silently repeat to yourself, I am grateful for this new day. Now feel grateful for anything in your life. For example, I am grateful for my health, or I am grateful for my happy family, for the love and support from parents, friends, and those who care about you. Silently repeat these words with true contentment and sincere gratitude for all that life has given you. Let this feeling of satisfaction and thankfulness flow through your body and stay with you throughout the day. Now, shift your attention to your breath. Feel your belly rising and falling with each breath. Notice the air moving in and out through your nose. As you breathe in, feel the gentle energy waking up your entire body. As you breathe out, release any tension or worries, letting them melt away. Breathe in and feel the sunlight filling you with positive energy to start your day. Continue following your breath until you hear the sound of the bell. It's normal to get distracted, but don't worry about it. When you notice your mind has wandered, simply and gently guide your attention back to your breath. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch softly, and now you can begin your day full of positive energy. Wishing you a beautiful day ahead. I look forward to seeing you in our next session.